Homer? Homie? What he's typed will be a window into his madness. Feeling fine. Wow, that's a relief. This is less encouraging.
Hello! What do you think, Mark?
How do you like it?
All I need is a title. I was thinking along the lines of no TV and no beer make Homer something something.
Go crazy?
Don't mind if I do!
What are you doing down here?
Just wanted to talk to you.
Stay away from me, Homer.
And are you concerned about me?
Of course I am.
Of course you are.
Give me the bat, Marge. Give me the bat. Give me the bat. Come on.
Stay away from me.
Why?
I just want to go back to my room.
Why?
Come on. Give me the bat. Give me the bat.
Stay away from me. Please. Don't hurt me.
I'm not gonna hurt you.
Stay away from me.
Wendy,
Stay away.
Scaredy cat.
give me the bat.
Please. Stay away.
Give me the bat.
Stop it.
Yeah.
Give me the bat.